I can predict now. Hello people, welcome back to a new day. Today we are going to do a challenge. Here is our food that we have ordered from Swiggy. This food is from McD. It's all veg because of the Shravan that is been going on. The cheeseburgers are there and fries are there. This is one of the trending challenge wherein we'll be playing the rock paper scissors. User have to go there, touch that pole, the last pole over there, and come back. And that is the time that the winner gets to have bite of the food. He can eat the food as much as possible. By the time the loser comes back here, the cycle goes on until the food is over. We are all set to do this challenge. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Kami babra mana keluar lah. Boleh apa?
चीटिंग करता है तू।
Mind games. I know what I can predict now. Oh, the rock that is up. परत येतले आणि खातर दाखयतले चांगलं ना दूर जाओ कट लास्ट हाँ So, the food is over. चढ कोणी खाल्ल्या शी इज द विनर शी इज द विनर ओके कभी कभी जीतने के लिए हारना पड़ता है पलटा और हार कर जीतने वाले को
पोला